This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 29th of January. I'm James Spann. The big thaw continues. Mobile up in the low 70s today, and temperatures will likely stay very mild through the weekend and through all of next week as this pattern flip has scoured out the cold Arctic air. The feature to watch today, it's that upper low that's over Arizona, and that will be coming out over the next 24 hours. That will bring our next chance of rain in here late tomorrow night into Friday. Visible satellite view. Got a few high clouds around, but mostly sunny skies are the story statewide. Clouds a bit thicker off to the west, and we note some rain underneath those clouds over parts of northern Louisiana and southwestern Arkansas. But the Alabama dry. We might see a little bit of light rain tomorrow morning over parts of North Alabama, but the next major widespread rain will come late tomorrow night and Friday. And yes, indeed, it feels better today. Birmingham 62. We've got 62 in Huntsville, Montgomery 65, Mobile again in the low 70s at 71. 1 week ago, they had a thick blanket of snow on the ground. How about that for a pattern flip? We've got flash flood watches west of the state from North Texas through parts of southeast Oklahoma, Arkansas, southeast Missouri, and western Kentucky in advance of the upper low. Winter weather advisories for parts of Colorado, New Mexico. And again, a lot of wind and snow issues up in the northeast U.S. So for the rest of today and tonight, there is a low-end marginal risk of severe storms over parts of Texas, from Wichita Falls down toward Abilene in the hill country. This is tomorrow. That risk shifts eastward. Got a level 2 out of 5. Slight risk of severe storms across parts of southeast Texas and much of Louisiana. A level 1 out of 5 marginal risk surrounding that. And on day 3, which is Friday, SPC has identified a very low-end marginal risk of severe storms for southeast Alabama, generally south of Interstate 85, east of Interstate 65. But again, this is a very low-end threat, as you'll see. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Heavier totals over the Tennessee Valley, a little over 1 inch there. 1/2 to 1 inch, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, under 1/2 inch for South Alabama. So model fans, here we go. GFS, 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3, and the upper low lifting out. And ahead of that, we'll have rain and some thunderstorms across much of Arkansas, eastern Texas, Louisiana, and Missouri. I think most of the day will be dry, but having said that, the high-resolution models are picking up on some light rain tomorrow morning over the northern third of the state. This is tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. So again, if you're basically north of Interstate 20, understand there could be some light rain in the morning. We think the rest of the day will be dry, and again, very mild. Highs in most locations in the upper 60s and maybe low 70s. So the main batch of thunderstorms will be coming in here after midnight tomorrow night. This is 09Z. That would be 3 o'clock, 3 a.m., early Friday morning. And you can see that band of showers pushing in here. But again, as we've talked about, there's just no surface-based instability, basically none. And even later in the day, this is Friday afternoon at, let's see, that's 4 o'clock. And again, hardly any surface-based instability. So I just don't see how we can have a severe thunderstorm problem. Some thunder, absolutely, but severe storms, very unlikely. So again, we'll start with the line of storms over northwest Alabama after midnight tonight. I say storms, mostly showers. And then by Friday afternoon, the better chance of rain shifting into east and southeast Alabama. And again, highs Friday should be in the 60s in most spots with a cloudy sky. So, the question is, what about the weekend, you ask? Things are looking marvelous. This is Saturday. We'll start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the 60s. The sky will be mostly sunny. And Sunday, another beautiful day. Again, Sunday morning, low 40s. The high Sunday, near 70 for North Alabama, low and mid-70s for the southern counties of the state. So this will clearly be easily the warmest weekend so far this year. Let's keep going. This is Monday of next week, and we're dry and mild. High statewide, low to mid-70s, even up in the Tennessee Valley. A good chance you'll see 70. This is Tuesday. Moisture levels are ticking up a little bit, and there could be a few isolated showers, but much of the day should be dry. Again, the high Tuesday, low to mid 70s. Spring fever breaks out. A week from today, Wednesday, the 5th of February, zonal flow, and again, evidence of a few spotty showers. That next decent wave will come here toward the end of next week, either Thursday or Friday, the 6th or the 7th, most likely. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 8th. Got a trough way back in the northwestern states, and again here a zonal flow, and that looks dry. So next week, again, there might be a few spotty showers Tuesday, Wednesday, but it looks like the more meaningful rain event will be toward the end of next week, either Thursday or Friday. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. This is for Birmingham, coming off the European ensemble. We're looking for the green line on that map. And the green line is a little over 2 inches between now and the 13th of February. And hey, here comes springtime. These are highs for Birmingham, 60s and low 70s, right on through all of next week. Lows mostly in the 40s, no sign of any freezing temperatures for the next 10 days. And hot off the presses, brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. And again, temperatures expected to be above average across the Deep South. This is valid for the period the 6th of February through the 12th. And so really for the next 15 days, things look very mild here. But understand, we all know that we can go back in the deep freeze easily at some point in late February or March. We always have cold snaps, but things look pretty good here right on through the 12th. So tomorrow going to be in Lee County, East Smiths Station Elementary School. It'll be a lot of fun there to see the kids there. Friday going to be in Tuscaloosa, Taylorville Primary School. And Saturday, book signing in Decatur, Alabama. Come on, fine place to be on a sunny, mild Saturday. That's going to be, let me be sure I got the time right here. I know it's going to be, I want to say from 10:30 until 1:30, and that is correct. At Java J Coffee on 6th Avenue in Decatur, 10:30 until 1:30. If you've never been to one of these, we have a lot of fun. I mean, we take a lot of pictures. All of our books, our children's books, the book about April 27th, the T-shirts, all the good weather dweeb stuff. You'll like it a lot. So again, Decatur, book signing this Saturday, 10:30 until 1:30. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.